Hey guys, so today I have a math challenge problem for you and it involves my front yard. So as we've been quarantined, I'm sure your families have also been doing the same thing. I've been trying to be productive around the house. So what I've been working on is mulching our flower beds. So we have a couple flower beds and I'm going to be showing you one of our flower beds. So we've been working on putting some mulch down to keep the weeds away. And here is one of our flower beds. So here's where I'm at, guys. I want to put another layer of mulch down, but I don't know if I have enough left. Here's what I got left, that little pile. So the only way to figure out if I have enough mulch or if I need to buy more is I need to do some math. So I need to know how many feet of mulch do I need to lay down to fill up this whole flower bed. Now, you guys are going to be able to figure this out based on what you've learned so far in the school year, but I'm not going to be telling you too much today because I'm going to keep it as a challenge. But what I am going to be telling you is I'm going to tell you what the shape of this flower bed is, and I'm going to be telling you how many sides it has and what those sides measure. So it's kind of a funky shape. If you look straight down, you can see it's like a rectangle. Go straight across and there all the way to the front. And down there all the way to the front, but this side is a bit longer than over here because this is where my garage starts. So it's kind of like a rectangle this way and a rectangle this way. So let's go ahead and start looking at some measurements. So you can stand by as I set you here. There. Okay. So, I just measured the first side back there. From my house to the edge of the flower bed is 4 feet. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and measure from all the way down there to the edge of the flower bed over here. So, let's go ahead and check out how long that is. Okay guys, this one was a little different because what happened is I ran out in my measuring tape once I got to 25 feet. So I got to 25 feet and I stopped and I put my foot there as a marker and then I measured the rest of the distance and it was another 5 feet. So 25 and 5 would be 30 feet. So now I know the length back there was, what did I say? 4 feet, 4 feet. And then we have 30 feet here. But this is where it gets a little different. Remember, this side's gonna be longer, you can see, than over there. So even though this is 30, that's not gonna be 30. I know it's gonna be shorter because my garage is in the way. So I'm gonna go check out the other side. So let's see what that measures. Alright guys, so what I did is I didn't actually go all the way down to the beginning and measure it again because I know that from the start of that flower bed all the way down to here was 30 feet. So instead of going all the way back and measuring that all the way till it ends on this side, I just took 30 feet and I subtracted the difference. So I measured from this point all the way to where this started, and that was 5 feet. So I took 30 minus 5, 25. So I know that this side from here all the way down there to the flower bed is 25 feet long. So now I have measured one. Set you down over here. Don't move. All right, so I'm measuring over here. Okay. 7 feet. I got 7 feet measuring from that point of my flower bed over to here. And this is my last, or excuse me, it's not last. I have 2 more sides left technically. So I'm gonna measure from right here to here. And then I'm gonna measure my last side, which is from that end to here. There's just a big old plant. I don't know what that is. I just moved here. I don't know what these plants are. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take my tape measure, see if it'll let me stick. It's not gonna stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and see where this is at. And it looks to be about 3.5. So let's go ahead and say 4 feet to be safe. And here, if I measure all the way down, our last side, little over 4 feet, about 4.5. So let's just call it 5 to round up. So I went ahead and measured my flower bed. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it's technically 6 sides. I think I said 5 before. So I should be including a diagram for you guys on paper, whatever I'm doing right now. There should be a diagram somewhere when I try to edit this video together for you. And I want to know what the total area, I want to know how many feet of mulch I need to fill up my flower bed. So I told you guys these are real life skills and I need to know this right now. So let's figure out how much mulch I need to get. Don't worry about the fact that there are plants in my flower bed and the mulch not going to go on top of them. It's okay. So I just want to know how much mulch, how many feet of mulch I need to fill this flower bed. I'm going to be honest, this is not something I've taught you how to do yet fully because this is not a perfect rectangle. And in 3rd grade, we learned how to do this with perfect rectangles. It's a 4th grade skill. But let's have some fun and let's challenge ourselves a bit and see if we can figure it out, okay?